This is Will with EGM, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change PID mode to either on or off for the i550 Protec drive. Okay, so it's important to remember when changing PID mode, some wiring may need to be changed as well. Please refer to the electrical drawings in order to see what wires need to be changed. But to change the parameters, you'll press the enter key, scroll up to group 6, enter into that, and on parameter 600.xx, if you entered into that, you should be able to get to the PID operating mode parameter 600.01. Once you enter into that, to turn PID mode off, drop it down to 0 and press the enter key. If you need to turn PID mode on, go up to 1 and press enter. Once you've made a change, push the enter key again and hold it until it says P.saved.